Look at somebody talking about quality is great. Look better than me. That's 88B series. Hey, hey, pulling up, I'm at the tray. Yeah, they talking this man. I don't give a fuck about that. Hey, I got a Mustang. Yeah, I'm bringing the pain. Supercharger with the water. Yeah, it's insane. And I got a caprice. Yeah, it's a beast. The pull up got the fucking chain. Put the bitch off the leash. Yeah, it's untamed. Fuck around, make it rain. TSV to the moon. Car coming soon. New car coming soon. Yeah, coming B. Brand new nitrous kit. Yeah, I'm with the sheets. Pull up, I got the breed. Yeah, I got the breed. Pulling up, you go to bed. Baby mama, give me leg. Ooh, I got a 400. Yeah, 400 shot. Ooh, these parts going up. God damn, man, it cost a lot. Pulled up, I got a small block. Never really had a big one. Ooh, I got a big son. Coming through him like a big one. He got the nitrous kit. Look, like that. You see how he got that juice on that bitch?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's budget.
Hell yeah.
That's budget right there.
That's what we need to do. Just duct tape it. I would have taped it. Duct tape.
Yeah, see, when I did it, he ain't know me. I know how to get that. We rent cars. I told him we rent cars and put shit on there.
He had it buckled up in the seatbelt.
Yeah, he came out the sunroof. We cracked the window. We would have cracked that window and went under the hood. He ain't got no hood though. But we would have went still in the same spot that he had. That's what we trying to do, fool. All that shit you trying to do is you cam and heads and springs and installation and all that. You ain't ready to pay for all that, fool.
No, I'm not.
You ready to put some nitrous on something. That's it. You need to just be ready to put some nitrous on something.
What about my minivan?
You really want some rear wheel drive.
What about a Toyota Sienna?
Man, I mean, you can juice that motherfucker. Here go the bad. It's front wheel drive.
Right.
It ain't gonna really just get up out of there like we needed to get up out of them gates.
Right.
Because the only thing that's front wheel drive that you gonna still be racing is a fucking Honda. And they gonna fuck you up. But that Toyota, I would imagine that bitch can take that juice, boy. You said got an oil leak already.
Yeah.
That bitch gonna get the porn oil out there, wherever that. Let me tell you
it's gonna find and expose
wherever
all
juice,
the issues.
Juice is a drug, man. That motherfucker looking for a problem. Wherever it's at, that motherfucker finna show you. Hey, you got a problem right here. You got a leak, motherfucker. You got a leak right here.
Okay.
Toyota economy motors are not built for anything. Yeah, you got to get that goddamn. My background look tight.
Oh shit! You put me back up on the screen. I'm just sitting here watching.
Yeah.
Cheesing.
Yep. I had to go for. Let's see.
I got a minivan. That's my wife's daily right now. Really, I need to fix her Isuzu Trooper.
I'll try you.
Or is it a roadie? I don't ever fucking know. I always get it wrong.
I'll try you. Whatever way you want to be.
It's the 4-wheel drive SUV, whatever that one is. I think it's a Trooper.
You got on feet.
Maybe it's a roadie.
Hey, I got a V8. I got an old 350. What you want to do? I'm in that Mustang behind you, man.
See how I used to leave my shit running?
I'll look for a truck you on your ass. Once you find
see, my shit ain't able to do that no more. You see how I got my car back there running?
Jose, leave me alone, man. Them Jose's that own Mustangs be fucking with them Mexicans. They all that shit souped up. I ain't ready. I'll run them anyway. God damn.
Got Cam in the back.
Oh, this one murder was cool.
Yeah.
Man, that's a different kind of energy right there. That was nice.
Let's see it.
I'm just seeing what it do real quick. I'm gonna find something to do. Let's see what it do, y'all.
We got Cam in the back.
Is that Tinder that you told me about earlier? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. I got cat. Look, hey, don't you start nothing in there. Don't you start nothing. Come on.
Should I hold him or should I keep him back there?
Nah, he all right. I'm gonna sling his ass back there in the back. I'm gonna shift it myself.
Red light.
Oh my god, I am not gonna be riding next time.
Yes. Oh, I love that shit. She broke your Oh, that's hilarious.
That was the only thing that kept me in. Or else I would have flown out a window or something.
That's so great.
Yeah.
That's like your friend that drove your Caprice. Couldn't stay in it.
Oh. And I had it. Ooh, I'm gonna be upset by the bitch there.
Yeah, that was some. Damn. Look at my temperature. 178. Just made a full pass.
It's not bad at all.
And I was leaving, and my shit was running. My shit was sitting back there running the whole time. I ain't even.
So that's with no leaky head gasket there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how my shit ran.
But that's before the supercharger, right?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing the supercharger and the nitrous really find the issues.
Yeah.
What about? Oh man. I need to find a running car. No motor swaps.
Yeah, you ain't ready.
What about a straight motor swap? Is there such a thing where all you need is just a motor and a transmission?
Yeah, that's what a roller. That's a roller.
Okay, so I need to find a roller then if I want to build something.
Yeah, if you want to build something, you need a roller.
Okay.
That's not starting from the bottom all the way. Somebody already got a rear end, most likely, some wheels, maybe, a shifter, a tag, maybe still left some headers. Sometimes they leave a transmission, a fuel pump, fuel line, fuel fittings, fans, radiator. All these things you don't need to be trying to go buy at once.
Right.
That shit add up like a motherfucker.
Right. I'm not trying to Lego build something.
You'll be bought a car, a bad motherfucker, and you'll have a raggedy motherfucker. But you'll be to pay bad motherfucker price.
Right.
I'm just trying to tell you how. Shit.